6 places on the planet that science cannot explain. It would seem that science now cannot be surprised by any phenomenon. But nature sometimes works miracles that defy the human mind. The most advanced scientists still shrug their shoulders, not finding an intelligible explanation. Number 1. Sleepy village of Kalachi. The village is located in Kazakhstan, and since 2013, local residents have started complaining of drowsiness, hallucinations, and memory loss. Men and women of all ages fall asleep under all circumstances, while driving, at work, or while walking. Scientists have suggested that these symptoms may be related to radiation poisoning, which arose from the village's proximity to a uranium mine. But the test results don't confirm the theory. It turned out that people have no traces of radiation in their blood. By the way, the neighboring villages are located even closer to the mine, but the residents there do not know anything about such symptoms. Scientists have not yet found an explanation for this phenomenon, and the government of Kazakhstan has only left to recommend people to evacuate. Number 2. Mysterious circles in Namibia. Scientists still cannot say anything intelligible about the strange phenomenon that occurs in Namibia in southern Africa. There, thousands of perfectly even circles with a diameter of 3 to 20 meters are carved on the grass. Not a blade of grass grows inside them. All attempts to find a reasonable explanation for this have failed miserably. Number 3. House rumble. A low-frequency humming noise of unknown origin has haunted Taos residents since the early 1990s. The sound resembles the buzzing of a lawnmower or the sound of a TV that makes noise. People go crazy with incomprehensible noise, and scientists have been shrugging their shoulders for almost 30 years. Number 4. Boiling river. The only boiling river in the world, the Shanai Tempishka, flows in the jungle of the Amazon. The water is very hot here. Its temperature is from 45 to 100 degrees. Animals that get here have no chance of survival. They are literally boiled alive. Scientists still cannot explain why the temperature is so high here. The nearest volcano is located 430 miles from the river, which means that is definitely not the point. Number 5. Mobile cave. Workers in southeastern Romania have found an amazing cave that has been hidden from light for 5.5 million years. The atmosphere here is drastically different from that of the Earth, and scientists have even compared it to the atmosphere of Mars. But that's not all. It turned out that there is a passage in the cave that leads to tunnels with an exit to a room filled with sulfuric acid. The air here is hot and toxic, but despite this, scientists have discovered more than 30 new species of organisms in the cave. They managed to adapt to unusual conditions, and they will not be found anywhere else. What is this cave, and how was it formed? Scientists are still at a loss to guess. Number 6. Endless thunderstorms. Turns out that a thunderstorm may never stop at all. This is what happens in Venezuela. There is always a thunderstorm over the Catatumbo River. Every day it starts at the same time and ends only after 10 hours. The thunderstorm rages every year for 260 days. But so far, no one has been able to explain the phenomenon. There are theories according to which the phenomenon is associated with uranium, which occurs in local swamps, but scientists still cannot give an exact explanation. In fact, there are many strange places on our planet, and even more phenomena that are still unknown to humanity. Perhaps someday scientists will find an explanation for all the quirks of nature, but so far many things remain unknown. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below letting us know what you thought, and make sure you subscribe.